Hello everyone. Welcome back to the How-To series of Naukri's database. In this video, we will talk about how to target candidates from premium institutes or Tier 1 colleges of India. So in the search form, let us go to the educational details section. Please note, we have a separate option here for targeting BTech, MTech and MBA graduates from premium institutes. For instance, if you would type BTech in specific UG qualification, here you will get the option of BTech from top rank colleges. For your reference, we also have a list of top 20 institutes available. Similarly, you have an option available for MBA and MTech as well. Apart from these three qualifications, if you wish to target any other particular institute, you may also type the same here in institution name. And that is all about it. Keep watching the series to learn more about RESTEX. If you have any doubts or suggestions regarding to the videos, please email us at support@naukri.com. Also, do like and share this video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.